Your winter outerwear wardrobe is never complete without a pullover. Pullovers are knitted garments that you put over your head to wear during the winter season. Variations in cuts, patterns, and prints have broadened this functional piece's utility. It now falls under more stylish apparel too. Here is the list of top 5 men's pullover styles for winter. Number 1, Hooded Pullover. Blending comfort and practicality of a pullover with a more style-centric appeal is a hooded detail. Hooded pullovers let you stay performance ready even if the weather gets stormy. Number 2. Self-designed pullover. Self-design is the art of weaving with a fabric contrasting to the main fabric. The intricate detail of this technique makes it a must-have. Number 3. Color blocked pullover. This cream color blacked pullover features a ribbed hem and round neck. Combine it with a pair of jeans for a casual lunch afternoon. Number 4. Alpha Numeric print pullover. A popular choice amongst the youth, alphanumeric detail adds uniqueness to each piece. This black self-designed pullover features a ribbed hem and is type-centric. Number 5. Solid pullover. One that which suggests is this olive green solid pullover that comes with shoulder tabs, a V-neck design and a ribbed hem. Pair it with distressed black jeans for a dash of coolness. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.